For my video, I'm going to do how to use Newton's method to find the root of this equation on the interval 1 to 2, and it'll be correct to 6 decimal places. So the first thing that you have to do is use this formula. And for all intents and purposes, I'm just going to write x instead of xn. So our formula is going to look like this. So we have x minus x to the fifth minus x to the fourth plus 3x squared minus 3x minus 2 all over the derivative, which is going to be 5x to the fourth minus 4x to the third plus 6x minus 3. So now we have to pick an x1 value. So we can just pick 1 because that's in our interval. So x1, that's our first guess. So x1 equals 1. Now, to do this on the calculator, what I'm going to do is store 1 as x. So I store 1 as x. And then I'm going to type in my equation, but I'm going to do it so that I don't have to keep typing it in. So I can just store new x's each time. So what I'm doing is, so I'll go x minus x to the fifth minus x to the fourth plus 3x squared minus 3x minus 2. That stuff divided by the derivative, which is 5x to the fourth minus 4x to the third plus 6x minus 3. So now I have that equation all typed in. Since I already have 1 stored as x, I can just press enter and I get my x2. So my second guess is 1.5. Now I can store 1.5 as x. So I don't have to type the equation in again. So I store 1.5 as x. I go up, get that equation. Now 1.5 will be plugged into the x's, and I get this number. So x3 is 1.343859 649. Now we got it, we just keep going. So we can plug in this as x now. So store that as x. Go back up, get the equation, press enter, and you get your x4 is 1.3003220165. So right now we have 2 that match. We have to get 6. So we store this as x, put it in the equation. Now this changed, so this won't match anymore. So we have x to the fifth, or x5 is 1.2973957999. Now we store this. And we get our x6 is 1.2973833403. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4 decimal places. So all we need is 2 more. So store this as x. Plug it in. And we get x7 is 1.2973833403. So that's more than 6. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 that match, but we only need 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.